Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about x equals to 20 square, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 plus 20 square, we change for cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and this one we have number 2 sin t cos t dt. So I will put this one gone here and here. The x we change for this one. So this one that is about cos t square. So we simplified. Next, we have the formula in here. Cos t equals to e to the power of t plus e to the power of negative t over number 2. Sin t that is about e to the power of t minus e to the power of negative t over number 2. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. This one we change for this one, and cos t we change for this one. Now we need to simplify, and this one that is about e to the power of t. Number 2 and number 2 we simplified, and I will put number 2 gone here. So we simplify this one, and we have e to the power of 2t plus minus e to the power of negative 2t. And number 8, with t we have e to the power of 8t. So this one multiplied by this one and this one, and we have like this. So number 8 plus number 2 we have number 10. So 8t minus 2t we have 60. And now we have the formula in here. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of 10t over number 10. This one we have e to the power of 60 over number 6. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we have the square root of x equals to sin t. And we can find the value of t equals to arcsin of the square root of x. So I will put this one go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.